Well, we're finally getting it put up. Today is July the 11th. I ordered it the middle of April. They were supposed to be here yesterday at 2. Today they showed up at 4. But it's going up. And it's going to look good. It's going to look good. It's going to really enclose this back area up so I can store a lot of my stuff under that, which will be protected. The roof is going to go almost to the edge, maybe an inch or two away from the siding. And so, anyway, that's the way it is. So I'll bring it back. I got some more. We're getting the first roof piece put on. This is the piece that keeps everything square. It's important. Once it gets that in place, it'll pretty much stiffen things up. But if you look at your post on the end here, this post here is just in. Yeah, I don't know. They said they couldn't pull it out, but I don't know why they couldn't. Yeah, it's coming along. They got most of the roof on. It's getting fastened into place. It's making it a lot more solid. Then this side over here will be sided. So that's because our prevailing southwest winds come right out of that direction. And I want everything in here to be kind of protected from any sort of wind coming through it. So we'll be doing that. And the front will be open here. And then this side will be open too. So anyway, bring it back when we got some more. It's completed. It's done. Took 3 hours. This is the side that I want enclosed. Boy, it matches really close to the shop too. I like that a lot. I kind of messed up on the length. Yep. See the extra. That pylon right there should be back underneath there about a foot. But I will fill these in with, I've got a bunch of blocks over there, and I'll kind of force those underneath it. And I have a big railroad tie too that I think I'm going to cut up and put underneath it just to fill the gap. And I'm doing both sides. You can kind of see what I started to do over here with this side. They're not going to be, you know, cemented into place or anything like that, but it'll fill the gap. So the thing I'm not too fond of, and it's partially because they're setting on these boards and pylons, is the wiggle factor. There is a lot of, you know, you can kind of see it. And when we start getting some heavy winds out of the southwest pushing against that side, it's going to be a factor. So my plan is to take, and we're going to run some supports off of the shop. Right here is where the stringer goes across, and I will take and mount something into that, and I'll grab hold of these posts somehow, and I'll put one there and try to find maybe up on towards the top here. I'll get the other support somehow fastened in. We'll see. Maybe go on the other side of that eaves trough there and tie in with that piece right there. I don't know. We'll see. But that's going to get done quickly because I don't want some big storm brewing and blowing and it rips these pylon things all out of whack. Yeah, this one here is already loose. I didn't realize it. Yeah, you can't see it move. But yeah, well, it's stupid me. For some reason I thought the base was 21 feet. It's 20 feet. The roof from edge to edge is 21 feet. And so, yeah, that's why I'm about a foot short right here. Oh well, as they say. So it's my time now for me to start parking all my junk underneath here and put the boat up underneath that and a few other things, and then we're going to, because it's supposed to rain all week. So, but anyway, it's up and it's finished. Well, I've got everything in. Well, not everything. For now anyway. The tractor is going to sit in here. I don't like it sitting up on my front of my shop because it leaks. I'd rather it leak in the gravel than on the concrete. So it's temporary. It's going to go back to my brother's. It's winter anyway. But there's the big trailers in, boat, and in the back is the log splitter. I took and put the log splitter in there. You can kind of see it. And so I think when that little trailer out there, when the tractor's gone, it's going to sit right in here. And I think that will be good because I also have a big lawn roller that I wanted to put in here. It's not 100% necessary, but this is what I'm referring to here, this lawn roller. I made that thing. It's out of solid concrete. That takes everything my Sears riding tractor, lawn tractor I should say, will pull, takes to pull it. That thing is heavy. And I tried to get it up in here before when I first put the stone down. I couldn't get it. The tractor just dug in the stone. So once that stone gets good and hard, then hopefully I'll be able to push it up in there with that lawn tractor. But mosquitoes are starting to come out. Anyway, we got her all under roof, so I'll bring you along as we do some more work on it. We're going to put some more supports, fasten it into the shop, keep it from rocking back and forth here a little bit. So I'll show you what I do after I get that done. And then I've got to plumb in my propane tank. You see where it used to be right there. So it's going to have to come out of there and go up over the door and kind of put another hole through the wall over here somewhere. But that's for another day. Anyway, thanks for watching all. And we have more truck videos coming. I'll show you one little last project that I got. Well, I've been working on quite a few projects. And my truck has been put on the back burner. And my brother I needed to do some work on his mowers. So this zero turn, I just completely went through everything on it pretty much. Painted the deck under it and over and top of it. Sharpened the blades, put a new drive belt on it. There was a switch, brake switch that was bad, wouldn't allow it to start. We got that fixed. Changed the oil, plugs, air filter, oil filter, fuel filter. I'll put some tire eject in the front tires. I'm waiting for my next shipment of tire jack. I got to put some in this back tire. But then I have this old wheel horse that he wants running, which shouldn't be too big issue. I got a few parts on order in the carburetor, and I got to get some new tires, and they're on the way. Then about 3-4 weeks ago, I bought this. Like I need another project, right? 1973 CL 350. It's in really nice shape. Bought it from a guy, and he had done a lot of work to it, but the carbs are screwed up. I bought another set of carbs on Facebook, and he'd rebuild them. He'd put some crappy rebuild kit in it. No sizes on any of the jets or nothing. It just ran. It didn't run for crap. It backfired and popped and wouldn't idle. And so I took the carburetor that I purchased and I cleaned it all up, and that's that one right there. I put all the guts that was in it, left it in, cleaned it all up, put it on. Now this side, this cylinder runs pretty good, but I got to work on this side. I haven't taken it off yet, so it's another project for another day. But yeah, this is what I've bought. I don't know why. I always wanted one, I guess, but yeah, the old 250 is going to go up for sale. So I'm going to put that on Facebook and see if I can get $2,500 out of that. But the truck, I haven't done anything to it for quite a while since I worked on those gauges. So, but I'm starting to ramble here. So thanks for watching and subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one.